Ladies, do you know when your last cycle was? Are you frustrated that you don't have a regular cycle? Well, let me help a girl out. It's Anita Tatavarthi, your acupuncturist friend. I'm gonna give you a diet tip as well as an acupressure tip that you can do till you get 3 consistent cycles. So let's get started. I want you to consider adding some spice, whether it's cumin or any type of spice, into your diet daily. Spice has a beautiful way of creating heat in the body and creating blood flow in the body. And what happens when you have increased blood flow? Well, you can more easily generate a cycle. So keep this in mind and do incorporate spice into your diet till you get 3 regular cycles. The next thing that I want you to consider doing is I want you to consider cuffing where your hand meets your forearm right at that apex, and then I want you to gently massage this point a couple minutes, couple times a day. And in fact, you can go to our YouTube channel and pick from any points of our 30-day series, and by doing the acupressure from any one of the points couple minutes, couple times a day, you are training blood flow to the uterus and also to the fallopian tubes, causing ovulation, promoting ovulation, and also bringing blood flow to the uterine wall so it can shed, creating a period. What a beautiful natural way to do this. I want you to stay consistent with it, couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. Do the diet tips as best as you can, incorporate them daily, if not every other day. And also, of course, follow any recommendations that your physician may have for you. And if you can stay on this journey, then along with the good care of your doctor and these acupressure and herbal tips, I'm helping you do your very best to be the most beautiful woman on the planet and helping you along that way. From your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi.